Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical.
So today we are going to see practical number 3b. Take a list, say for example A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. Now for this program we are going to use a by default given list and perform to write a program to print out all the element of the list which is less than 5. That means using this list we are going to compare each and every element with 5 and we are going to find out a number of we are going to find only a list which contain less than 5. So expected output is 1, 1, 2 and 3. So let's open your Python 3.4 Python notepad. Here we are going to write one function so that it is convenient to calling a function every time whenever we execute it. So here define find underscore list is a function. In that I am going to declare define one variable called as a list li, and the element are as per the question. Now I am going to display this to get to know the user what is the list are going to used. So print the list is in the form of string li. Now I am going to use new underscore li is equal to empty list. Now why we need this empty list? Because after performing some operation to identify the element which is less than 5, we need to concatenate it in the form of list, because final answer we required a list. Now we use a for loop so that we can compare each and every element from the given list. For that we write for I in a li. Now using the conditional statement if we compare the I values, that is a number of element in the list, with a 5. If it is satisfied with a true condition, so we need to write new li is equal to new li plus list of I. Okay, now as we know new li is having a type list. Similar way we are concatenating with a element called as a I which have the type list. For that we write a list bracket. Now finally we have to display the answer as print the new list is new underscore li. Save the program and run the module. You can use a F5 as a shortcut to run the module. Now program is executed successfully. Now to call the function find underscore list. If you have called the function, it is automatically represented less than 5. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.